Hello everyone. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Today we're going to explore the amazing story of Lord Ganesha. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and share this video with your friends who want to improve their English listening skills. If you subscribe today, may Lord Ganesha bless you with peace and happiness, because you're helping this channel grow. If you share this video with someone, may Lord Ganesha bless you even more, because you're helping someone learn something new. And wait, I have a special surprise just for my subscribers. I'll reveal it at the end of the video, so make sure you watch till the end. All right then, let's get started. Happy listening. The story of Lord Ganesha. Lord Ganesha is one of the most famous and loved gods in Hinduism. People call him by many names: Ganapati, Vinayaka, Vignaharta, the remover of obstacles, and Lambodara, the one with a big belly. Ganesha is easy to recognize because he has the head of an elephant and the body of a child. He rides a tiny mouse and loves sweets, especially modaks, which are his favorite. Let's explore his magical story, how he was born, why he has an elephant head, and what he teaches us. All right then, let's get started. Happy listening. Who is Ganesha? Lord Ganesha is the son of Lord Shiva and goddess Parvati. Shiva is the destroyer and transformer, and Parvati is the goddess of power and love. Together, they are the most powerful parents. Ganesha is also the elder brother of Lord Kartikeya, who is the god of war. Ganesha is worshipped before starting any work, festival, or journey. Hindus believe that if you pray to Ganesha, he removes all problems from your path. How was Ganesha born? There are different stories about how Lord Ganesha was born. The most famous one goes like this. One day, goddess Parvati wanted to take a bath in her palace on Mount Kailash, but Lord Shiva was away meditating in the mountains. Parvati wanted someone to guard the door so no one would disturb her. So, she took some turmeric paste and sandalwood from her body and shaped it into a boy. With her divine powers, she gave life to the boy, and he became Ganesha. Parvati told Ganesha, "Stand guard and do not let anyone enter while I bathe." Ganesha nodded and took his job seriously. The battle with Shiva. While Ganesha stood guarding, Lord Shiva returned home. He was surprised to see a little boy blocking his path. Shiva said, "Let me in, I am your father." But Ganesha did not know Shiva and said, "No one can enter, my mother ordered me." Shiva tried to explain, but Ganesha refused to move. Shiva got angry. He called his army, but brave Ganesha fought them all alone. Finally, Shiva lost his temper. He took his mighty trident and with one stroke, cut off Ganesha's head. Parvati's sadness. When Parvati came out and saw what had happened, she was heartbroken. She cried and was very angry. The whole world became dark and sad. She told Shiva, "Bring my son back to life, or I will destroy the entire universe." Shiva realized his mistake and promised to fix everything. The elephant head. Shiva sent his followers to find a head to bring Ganesha back to life. They were told to bring the head of the first living creature they found, facing north. They found a baby elephant sleeping under a tree. With respect, they took the elephant's head and brought it to Shiva. Shiva placed the elephant's head on Ganesha's body and brought him back to life with his divine powers. Parvati was happy again, and the world was full of light and joy. Blessings to Ganesha. Shiva blessed Ganesha. He said Ganesha would be known as the remover of obstacles. Everyone must worship him first before any new work or prayer. He would be the Lord of wisdom and learning. Since then, People pray to Ganesha before starting school, exams, business, or travel. Why does Ganesha ride a mouse? Ganesha's vehicle is a tiny mouse called Mushika or Mushak. But why does a big god ride a little mouse? The story goes that once there was a giant demon named Gajamukasura who was troubling people. Ganesha fought him and defeated him. The demon begged for mercy. Ganesha turned him into a mouse and made him his ride. The mouse also shows that no matter how small you are, you can carry big responsibilities. It also means Ganesha controls our desires and ego, which are like mice, always nibbling and restless. Why does Ganesha love modaks? Ganesha loves sweets, especially modaks, which are sweet dumplings filled with coconut and jaggery. During Ganesh Chaturthi, people offer him 21 modaks. The round shape of modaks means wholeness and sweet rewards for hard work. It shows that life is sweet when we overcome obstacles. Why does Ganesha have big ears and head? Ganesha's elephant head has many special meanings. His big ears remind us to listen more. His small eyes remind us to focus. His large head means we should think big. His small mouth means talk less. His big belly means he can digest all good and bad in life. His broken tusk reminds us to keep going even when we lose something. Ganesha and the Mahabharata. One of the greatest stories is how Ganesha wrote the Mahabharata, one of the longest epics in the world. The sage Vyasa wanted someone to write it down as he spoke. Ganesha agreed, but said, "I will write only if you never stop reciting." Vyasa agreed but set his own clever condition. Ganesha must understand every verse before writing. They worked together for days and nights without rest. When Ganesha's pen broke, he broke off his own tusk and used it as a pen. This shows his dedication to learning and wisdom. Ganesh Chaturthi Festival. Ganesh Chaturthi is the biggest festival for Ganesha. It usually happens in August or September. Families bring clay idols of Ganesha to their homes and decorate them with flowers and lights. People sing, dance, and offer sweets to Ganesha. After 1, 3, 5, 7, or 10 days, the idol is taken in a big procession with drums and music, and then immersed in a river or sea. This ritual means Ganesha goes back to Mount Kailash, to his parents. Why do people love Ganesha? Ganesha is everyone's friend. He loves kids and listens to their wishes. He teaches us, be brave like him. Use your brain to solve problems. Remove obstacles for others. Be humble and respect all life. Lessons from Ganesha. Ganesha's stories teach us to never give up. Even when you face problems, find solutions. Use wisdom. Think before you act. Stay kind. Help others with love. Stay joyful. Dance, sing, and celebrate life. Before end, I am going to give you a surprise gift. In the comments section, type 3 new English words you learned from the video. Then, subscribe the channel. 3 of commenters will be given valuable book.